So my talk is comes under the category of, first of all, an interactive talk, and the
Mm-hmm.
topic of my talk is also very generic in nature, but the domain is bit niche, I must say. So the topic of my talk is the three different shades of testing in Salesforce ecosystem. First one is your good, followed by bad, and the last but not the least, that is the ugly part. So my target audience is everyone. You can say that whether you are a tester or a beginner who want to move your career in the field of a Salesforce testing, talk is for you. I have designed my talk in such a way that for a person who don't have a penny idea about Salesforce can easily attend my talk. I have categorized my talk into three different flavors so that it can create more impact in the ecosystem of Salesforce. And one more thing that I just wanted to highlight over there, like in Salesforce, we have more than 40 different types of certifications that are actually available in the market, which has been
Right.
started from your, you can say that your admin, associate, development, business analyst,
Mm-hmm.
marketer, many more. The list is very lengthy, but no one is actually talking about the testing part. So that's the primary reason to, that the primary reason I have picked this particular topic in order to showcase like what is the actual reality of the testing in the ecosystem of Salesforce. That's the primary reason to pick this topic. And one more thing that actually gives, or you can say that create more impact in the mind of all those participants, or you can say that attendees, that why they have to attend this particular talk, because there are n number of things. If we am talking about from the perception of a Salesforce, it is the number
Mm-hmm.
one CRM for a reason. But if we are talking about the number one player in the market, what about the number one testing approaches that they are actually using in the market? That is why that particular CRM is dominating. That's the reason that I personally feel that attendees should attend my talk, so that it will give more value in the ecosystem of Salesforce as well as in their life. Or if a person who wants to move their career or transit their career in the field of Salesforce as a test engineer, this talk is for you also. So that's about my talk and why all those attendees have to attend my talk. So that's the reason. So my passion is to create an impact in all those areas where no one other tester is actually talking about. I am a bit techie guy, love to read books. So my passion is very simple, like how I can create some value as a tester and be a problem solver in the field of a software testing where no one is actually talking about. And a definition of passion is for me how I am investing my few time on daily basis to create some content in the field of Salesforce testing, or you can say the testing in the ecosystem of Salesforce. So this is my passion. I don't have any other passion,
Mm-hmm.
creating content on regular basis on a different topics and stuff like that. I my target is very clear that how I can create that particular niche so that it will add more value for all those individuals who don't have a penny idea about it. So this is my passion. I have one inspiration, that is my younger brother for me, because for
Mm-hmm.
any other individual, a person who is more experienced than him or her would be an inspirational for that particular personality. But for me, my younger brother is an inspiration for me because he always told me that consistency is the key to success if you want to survive
Right.
for a long run. And I also wanted to highlight the inspiration that actually boost my confidence from last 1 year. That is my mentor, whose name is Jocelyn Andrades, who actually helped me a lot in order to grow my career to how I can think out of the box. Because everyone is talking about, testing, manual testing, automation testing, performance testing. But what value as a tester you are adding, that actually
Mm-hmm.
plays a very vital role. So I also want to highlight my mentor for continuous guiding me, that actually an inspiration for me. Basically, I'm from New Delhi, a Punjabi person,
Uh-huh.
and as you know that we Punjabis love to eat food, love enjoying and each and everything. So there are so many stories, but one of the story that I also wanted to highlight, like in our culture, we believe that community is everything for us. We can celebrate different festivals, whether it is related to Sikhism, Hinduism. We don't care about the discrimination part. Our focus is to how we can contribute with a different personality, so that we can have a different smile on the different faces of individuals, because ups and downs are the part of life, but how we are actually enjoying the moments at a certain
Mm-hmm.
point in time by celebrating the festivals plays a very vital role. So this is the specialty of my hometown. And being a Punjabi, cultural aspects plays a very vital role that actually makes a niche in our area also. So that's even you can say that a proud moment for me, that I'm very blessed enough that I'm a part of a community where cultural diversification is one of the kin that actually makes a difference.